What is up, beautifuls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Finn, and in today's video I am so excited and grateful, I'm buzzing, and I just cannot wait to share this with you. So, as you can see by the title below, in today's video we have a CHERRYZ unboxing. If you've not heard of CHERRYZ, CHERRYZ is an online retailer and it sells things like cleaning products, hair care, beauty, the things that you would find in average like Home Bargains, B&M, Poundland, but they do it all online, so it's so much more convenient. You just add it to your box, they ship it out to you, it's here within 2 days, and everything is still super cheap. I cannot wait to unbox this. As you can see by the title as well, this box has been gifted. I haven't paid for this box, but again, my opinions will be honest, they will be true. I'm not being paid for this video and I'm not being sponsored. So, if a CHERRYZ unboxing, cleaning things, beauty things, other things interest you, then please keep on watching. It is huge. It is such a big box and I am buzzing. So I've seen these done before where people do order like a lot of things because it's so cheap. You know guys, I have ordered 23 things. We've got 23 things in here. It ranges from cleaning, beauty, other random stuff. I also am incredibly grateful because for you guys I have got a 20% off your first order on the app discount code, which is in the box down below, but I believe it's Finley20, so you get 20% off your first order using the app. Let's go! By the way, number one, how cool is this top? Skywalkers. Number two, this came shipped in one day. It was posted yesterday, it came today, so 24 hours. Oh, that's cute! On the inside, look, the inside of the box has got tissue paper in it with little cherries all over it. That's adorable, I really like that. Right, I'm not going to be doing this in any particular order, I'm literally just going to pick up a thing and show you what I got and why I got it. Let's go. This is exciting. So one of the first things, I think this was the first thing I put in my basket actually, is this pink drying mat. Now this is actually for like the kitchen to put like plates and stuff on. I've actually bought it for my beauty room so I can pop my makeup brushes on there, and if there's anything left over it will just absorb it up. So this is for the beauty room and for my makeup brushes, and I believe that was £1.50. So the next thing I got I was so excited for because I'm going to also take... I'm too excited. I'm going to also be taking this to work. So I got a Crazy Chef microwave cleaner. Now after I bought this I realised you can do this with just like a cup, like an egg cup, but it doesn't matter. So basically this is like a little angry chef man. You fill his head up with vinegar and then you microwave it for 6 minutes and it cleans your microwave out. Well, it doesn't, but it reduces the scrubbing elbow power, which is good because I have no... At the top, I haven't had these for absolutely ages. I got some knickknacks. These were £1 I think, and you get 6 bags and they're the nice and spicy ones. They are the best ones ever. I cannot wait to eat these. I'm going to have these after this video. Next up, oh, these look quite good actually. So I picked up these. These are just bobby pins. Now these were I think £1, and I'm not sure how many you get. But there is, oh, you get 200 grips. That's a lot. So, you know, if you're a girl, they just go missing. You pop them down, they go walkies, you never find them again. So, some of these, and they were £1. Again, it's kind of a cleaning slash beauty product. So, well, kind of. I picked up this drain cleaner. Now, I picked this drain cleaner up for one reason. It's for the bath and it's for when I wash my hair. I'm so fed up of having to pull out chunks of hair from the drain, so I just think I'm going to try this and see if it collects most of it. But if it doesn't, I can just use it in the kitchen, can't I? So it's all good. And I think this was £1.50, but I could be wrong. Okay, next up we have another cleaning product. So this is the Does It dishwasher cleaner. Now our dishwasher at the moment is kind of a bit lime scaly. I don't really know how to explain it. We need to do something with it. So hopefully this works. This is what it looks like, and I believe that this was £2. I could be wrong. A single sachet. Yeah, so it's a single sachet. It's one use dishwasher cleaner. I'm not sure if this is going to be any better than the box stuff, but we will try it and see, and I will let you know. I'm looking at this stuff thinking, I forgot that I got you, yay. So I picked up these, and they're beauty and cleaning related. It's a 4-pack of microfiber towels, so you have, these are really cute, a pink one, a white one, a grey one, and this gorgeous checkered one here. I'm going to take 2 of them and use them for the cleaning stuff, and then 2 of them as well I'm going to use as magic makeup removers. Now, magic makeup removers are literally microfiber cloths. So if you want a tip and trick, go and find some microfiber cloths, chuck them in the washing machine, sanitize them, they're good enough for your face. So I'll use stuff like this for oil cleansing and bits and bobs like that. I believe these are £1.50, I could be wrong, but £1.50 or £2 for 4 is really, really good. So yeah, I'm going to use 2 for cleaning and 2 for beauty. Oh, something is wrapped up in paper. Oh, hello! I'm so excited for this. This is the, what brand is that? Panorama wax melt kit with 6 wax melts in vanilla and coconut. So you get the actual wax melter and the wax melt, and I believe this was £3. I absolutely love candles, love them, but sometimes candles don't actually smell as strong as what they smell in the packet, so hopefully this smells nice. And I will find the other thing because I ordered something else to go with this as well. So this is super exciting, guys. I ordered this. This is the Swivels Love Hearts Strawberry Maxwells, what? Wax melts. So they are Love Heart wax melts, and they look just like this. So you get 12 in there. Shall we smell them? Let's smell them. Do you know what they do smell of, Swivels? They smell of Love Heart. Strawberry sweets. Very nice. Whew. Next up, I got this for cleaning purposes, obviously cleaning, but you can take this away with you, and I just think things like this is really handy to have at all times because of smells. But I actually got a Fabulosa Fabaloo, which is a bit like the VI Poo brand. And this is in the shade, oh my god, I've done too many makeup videos recently. This is in the scent Electrify. There's up to 100 applications, so that's what that looks like. Let's smell it. Do you know what, that is actually really nice. That's really nice. Very nice. I'm going to use this more so at home as just a toilet air freshener, kind of. When I do the bathroom and stuff, I'm going to spray loads of this in it because I don't really like the smell of bleach very much. I do, but then I don't at the same time, so got one of those. I must have been really thinking about cleaning because I also picked up these. They're the Max 5 Flush. They're just toilet gels. You pop them in the toilet. I'm not sure how long they last. Generally, they last me a couple of weeks. But yeah, I believe these were £1.50 or £2. It's just toilet gels. Okay, I picked these up because they are small, they are compact, and I never have to remember to do anything. So, we've got 16 unicorn reusable ice cubes. So you just chuck this in, obviously wash them first, please don't just corona. Just look how cute that is. Little mini unicorn. There's so much to go through. The next thing I picked up is just a stereotypical bleach. It's just for the loo again. Like I said, I bought so many accessories for the loo. Yeah, I'm gonna have a nice cleaning episode after this, I think, with my wax melt burning. I had forgotten that I got these. Now I'm so excited and I cannot wait to have them. So I picked up this tiny little tub full of sweets, and they're like the candy Coca-Cola version. So you have like your blue ones, your normal ones, the blue and red ones are the best. Have you guys ever had a yellow and green one? Look. What happened to that? Oh, they are so good. Right, I definitely highly recommend these if you like sweets. Recommend, go pick it up. Oh, we've got 2 more food items actually. So I picked up this from the brand Crucials. This is mine and Fred's favourite burger sauce. So I think we're going to be having cheesy chips and burger sauce at some point over the next few days. And then next up is a product that I haven't eaten for years. This is a Crunch bar. Have you ever had a Crunch bar? If you haven't, strongly recommend. Crunch bars are really nice, so I cannot wait to have this dunked into some tea. Right, there's 3 more cleaning products, and then I've got a couple of beauty products as well. So the next one I got was the Vanish Super Bar. So if you're anything like me, I'm constantly doing makeup all the time for Instagram, for daily wear, for YouTube. I get makeup everywhere. I'm really hoping that the Vanish bar will get rid of some of the stains on something. Please wish me luck, because I'm constantly staining everything with foundation. It's not great. Next thing I got was something that is going around everywhere. I see it on TikTok all the time and I can't wait to try. So this is the pink stuff. If you've used this, let me know down below what you think of it. I can't wait to try it. 99% natural ingredients, environmentally non-toxic, non-hazardous formulation, not tested on animals. I'm super intrigued. And then I also picked up the Fabulosa Christmas version of scent. Cannot wait to dive in and sniff this. It smells of winter. It smells of winter. These are kind of beauty products now, but I bought an eyeshadow blender mainly because I just needed another kind of detailer brush, but a little bit bigger. So it looks like this in the packaging. I'm going to take it out so you can see the handle, but the handle is glitter and this was £1. So here is the handle. It's actually got glitter in it. How cute is that? It's soft enough. I just wanted a detailer brush, but a bigger version so that I can blend up with it. I'm really happy with that. Hopefully it works. Not sure if you guys are new. If you're new, then you won't have seen my 2020 favourites, but I can't actually use like body wash with scent and stuff. So I picked up this. I normally use Sanex Zero because it has no fragrance at all and it keeps your pH right. I don't know. But they didn't have any Sanex, so I actually got this. This is Femme Fresh and it's pure and fresh wash. And it's also for intimate skincare, so you can use this everywhere and it won't affect you if you can't use fragrance, or it shouldn't anyway. And this is dermatologically and gynecologically tested for everyday use. It should be safe. See if it does smell of anything. I know it says it's fragrance free, but we'll see. Nope. Doesn't smell of anything, so I'm happy with that. Femme Fresh tends to last me an awfully long time because it lathers really nicely, so you just chuck it on a loafer, you're good to go. Next up, oh, I'm so excited for this. So this is the Dove Nourishing Body Care Visible Glow Self-Tan Lotion. It looks like that. So this is kind of self-tan, kind of a lotion at the same time. It does both. I don't like self-tanning. I can't do it right. I'm always like, it clings to my dry spots. It's patchy. The guide colour is never as dark as what I need it to be, or it's too dark. And I just don't get it right. So hopefully this is idiot proof. And then very lastly, I actually got this for the beauty room. So this is just a coaster to go on my desk thing here that you guys sit on for drinks. And it just is pink and it says top me up, and yeah, that's literally all it is. So this was £1. It's ceramic, it's got the cork back and it says top me up. It literally is what it says on the tin. That is everything. I can't believe how long that's taken me to film. Like I said to you guys, I got 23 things for £30. If you really want to place an order or have a look, please use a discount code. It's Finley20. You get 20% off. Why? I don't get anything from that, by the way, guys. I'm not affiliated with that. I don't get any like commission. It's just to help you out and save a little bit of cash. So that is the end of my haul today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you are new, consider subscribing. I'm on the way to 1500. I've just hit 1.2k, which is so exciting. I never thought I'd even get this amount. And yeah, so stay safe, guys. Stay happy, stay smiling. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you are loved, and I cannot wait to see you in the next YouTube video. Until then, love you, bye.